What is up, everybody? It's your boy Juggy Pang. We're gonna call this episode 1 of the GTR build. Today I'm actually taking my brother's car, the C400, up to Steve at SJL Custom Auto. We're gonna install some downpipes on it. We already put an intake on it. We also have this beauty here in the back. So like I said, we're going to take the C400 up to SJL Custom Auto. We're going to install some downpipes on it. We'll also take a look at how the GTR is doing, what's been done to it so far, what our plans are for it, why the car is even there, and why this build even started. So yeah, episode 1 of the GTR build. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm here now. Steve just started on the C400. He's getting the downpipes installed. So what ended up happening was we were pushing the motor basically all the way to its limits just to see what we could achieve on a stock motor and whatnot. It was about 890 to the wheels. We were pushing on ethanol with the stage 1 turbos, stock motor, everything was stock in there, stock transmission. So went for a little blast, basically third gear, shifted into fourth, and so the car is here now. We're gonna go ahead and build it. We're gonna get a new block. We're gonna put a ETS 4.1 stroker kit in it, so it's the rods, pistons, and the crankshaft. We're aiming for about 1400 wheel horsepower on ethanol and about 1150 on pump gas. Should be running 8s easily. Should be a lot of fun once it's done. This is just episode 1. Stay tuned. I'll show you guys some more. I'll show you guys the engine inside. We're still opening it up, seeing what happened on this block. We gotta wait for new parts to arrive, and we'll go from there. What's up, John? downpipes off right there, and we ran into an issue where we need a gasket for the engine side of the exhaust, and we didn't get any with our downpipe. So we're gonna actually drive down to Mercedes, pick up some gaskets for this thing, fluid on the way back, and we're gonna get back to this, and then we'll be taking apart my motor. Alright guys, we just got back to the shop, got the gaskets right here. We're going to continue with the C400. It's going to be getting tuned in a couple of days, so I will get back to you guys on that. We're going to get it tuned by DME Tuning in Texas, and we'll let you know what it does. There's Steve. He's going to finish the downpipes.
I hope so.
And then he's going to finish my motor over there. We're going to be making some horsepower for the streets. Sounds nice. So my motor is right here. We got all the accessories and stuff off of it. Blew 2 holes in the bottom of the block. I don't know if you can see them right now, but they're right here. These 2 holes right here. Alright, so we're gonna start opening my motor. Timing covers. Let's see what's going on here. So we just got the cover off, and we just seen right here we got some big chunks of metal. I don't know if you guys can see that. We don't know where it's from right now. Gonna find the cause of this problem. But yeah, we just found that right now inside the timing cover. We're gonna go on from there. That's what's in the oil pan. It's not something you want to see. Guys, so I just left SJL. The C400 is done. We got the downpipes installed, intakes are installed, waiting on a tune from DME. They're out in Texas. We're going to be getting that later on in the week, so I will be back. Didn't get to install the steering wheel today, so definitely will be doing that on the next episode when we get back here. Other than that, there's gonna be some great content coming, some great racing videos. Gonna show you guys a whole bunch of parts, what's going into the GTR, what we're looking to do with it, and a whole bunch of other goodies. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe.